The vast region highlighted in red before you is the Middle East. Recently, due to the ongoing Israel-Palestine conflict and rising tensions involving Israel-Iran, this region has once again become a major hotspot in global geopolitics and is extremely important from the UPSC prelims perspective. We'll start by zooming in on the heart of the conflict: Israel, the Gaza Strip, and the West Bank. We will map their borders and strategic locations precisely. Then, we will move eastward to Iran and examine the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most critical oil choke points, frequently asked in UPSC prelims due to its strategic importance. But first, the big picture. What is the Levant? It is a geographical and cultural region in the eastern Mediterranean. It broadly includes Israel, Palestine, Lebanon, Syria, and Jordan. The term Levant appeared in the 2022 UPSC prelims. For similar map practice, download the Mapzine from the description, covering places in news, exam-oriented questions, and practice maps. Now, let's locate Israel. Situated in West Asia, its declared capital Jerusalem sits roughly in the central part of the country. If we look at the surrounding regions, Lebanon lies to the north, Syria to the northeast, Jordan to the east, and Egypt to the southwest. To the east of Israel lies the West Bank, a landlocked territory between Israel and Jordan, while along the southwestern Mediterranean coast sits the Gaza Strip, bordered by Israel and Egypt. Aspirants, pay close attention to the lines. The boundary separating Israel and the West Bank is the Green Line. Established after the 1948 Arab-Israeli War, this 1949 armistice line is a ceasefire boundary, not a permanent international border. Similarly, in the north, we find the Blue Line. Identified by the UN in 2000, it confirms Israel's withdrawal from southern Lebanon and serves as a vital ceasefire monitor. Moving to the southern edge of Gaza, we find the Philadelphia Corridor, a narrow strategic strip along the Egypt-Gaza border, crucial for controlling movement and security. Finally, let's look at the waters. To the west lies the Mediterranean Sea, while to the south, Israel reaches the Red Sea via the narrow Gulf of Aqaba. In the northeast lies the Golan Heights, a strategic plateau captured from Syria during the 1967 Six-Day War. Much like the West Bank, Israel's sovereignty over the Golan Heights is not widely recognized internationally. Just south of it lies the Sea of Galilee, also known as Lake Tiberias, an important freshwater source for the region. Continuing south along the Jordanian border, we reach the Dead Sea. It is the lowest point on Earth's land surface and one of the saltiest bodies of water on the planet. Its extreme salinity prevents the survival of aquatic life, earning it the name Dead. From strategic lines to unique geography, this region is the cornerstone of your UPSC mapping preparation. If you want to practice and revise this in the UPSC way, download EduBaba Mapzine. In this, each region comes with UPSC standard questions, exactly the way UPSC asks in the exam. Along with that, you get high-yield key facts important for prelims, and most importantly, you understand why that region actually matters, with direct links to current affairs. You also get detailed explanations, so you don't just read, you actually understand the concepts clearly. Plus, practice maps with questions are included to help you revise and master every important location. If you're serious about UPSC, you can't afford to ignore maps. Get yours now! EduBaba Mapzine. Link in description.